to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your video on YouTube on schedule. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you need to open your YouTube studio in your Chrome browser. After that, upload a video. After that, here you need to add your video title, description. After that, add a thumbnail, and now click on next. Again, here you need to add an end screen for your video. Click on add end screen, and here you need to select any template for your end screen. For example, I like this end screen template, and here click on this, and here you need to choose any video. For example, this is delete this and save this. Now here you can see our end screen is edit. Now click on next button. How to post this video on schedule? Here you can see option schedule. Click on the schedule icon. Here you can see, click on this schedule button. Now here you can see you need to add here time to post this video. For example, I will post this video on 7th 27 April. Now here click on 27 April, and here click on 12 p.m. here 12 p.m. 12. Here you can also edit this. Here you can see, in this way you can now click on schedule. Now here you can see our video is posted on, our video is scheduled on YouTube. In this way you can schedule your video on YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.